Alright, for anybody that's curious to see what's inside the 110 volt outlet for the Fusion, I decided I was bored. Decided to take it apart. But for anybody that wants to have the curiosity like I had, just to see how this all works out, that's all pretty much to it. See if I can find, I know there's a part number on it if you guys needing a replacement one. That is going to be the part number for the Fusion. But I figured, I know somebody else is probably kind of curious to see what's inside of these. That's the bottom of it. You guys didn't get to see the top one long enough, I'll show it again. I just think it's very interesting on how they make these things and how they work.